Welcome to episode 2. Last time we shared how to style a kitchen and dining room, and today, let's get to your living room. Before we jump in today, if you're finding this helpful or you would like more guidance on your world of design and creativity, we would love for you to join, so feel free to subscribe. We would love to have you. If you come into the living room, which of course is only half a step away, this couch is actually massive. Normally, if you're going into a small apartment, you're like, oh my gosh, that couch is never gonna fit. I may have actually said that to our drafter about 6 times, but I wanted to maximize the length because of where the TV is in the space. Usually people will get a couch that's much shorter than this, and now they're stuck over here and they don't actually have good viewing to their television. We also love to do a chaise lounge with a movable ottoman so that you can shift it along here. So if you've got company, you can have someone here, you still have really good movement. But if this is your favorite spot, you can move it over and you've basically created a chaise wherever you want it along the length of the sofa. Another thing that we did in here with these tables is doing a full-size table in here created a little bit of a lack of movement to get through to the patio area, so we did layered tables. We love that these ones are glass underneath. Obviously the glass goes very well with the chandelier behind you, but it also creates a bit more of an open feel. We've pulled the black in here to ground the space and gone with very, very simple decor on the coffee table in order to give the rest of the space room to breathe. Okay, so with cushions, you can approach it so many different ways. Sometimes we'll go with a tone-on-tone look so that it just feels very serene and clean and calm and modern. In this particular space, we were going for something that was a bit vibier and we wanted to bring in some more of the darker colors. So we added a black leather and going with the rust colors really pulled the wood tones into here, and in this case we actually match them corner to corner. We always do a blanket because everybody needs a blanket when they're watching TV. Something we did with the artwork in here is we decided we were going to layer it. You're not losing anything, but you're creating a lovely depth. We actually had this one custom painted to match the center of the one that we found. The very first piece that we picked for this project was this credenza. It was a splurge for sure. It's beautiful, solid marble. We love it, love it, love it. It weighs a ton. You definitely don't want to move it after it's in place. The other thing we did as well is once we saw the curves of this, which we absolutely love these curves in here, is we wanted to replicate that. So you will see that we've replicated this curve in a number of places, including the kidney-shaped rug. The backs of the chairs also have that curve, as do the glass on the light fixture. This is purposeful, and if you can use a shape and repeat it, it can be quite lovely and subtle. Okay, so on our patios, which everybody loves to have a patio, we love to do an oversized rug. If they're covered, it doesn't even necessarily have to be an outdoor rug. This one is an indoor-outdoor rug, and the darkness really grounds the furniture. This furniture is fabulous. Again, we've got this beautiful curve, the black. You also need to know that you're looking at this from the primary bedroom, so you want to be very careful that you've figured out what the back of this is going to look like from inside your bedroom. We did talk about making sure that when you're measuring, you can get furniture and pieces in and out. I will tell you that this particular artificial tree was built in place. So we're not sure this would actually fit through the door, but it is lovely, and we love a tree that's gonna last forever. Again, oversized still works in a small space. Don't be afraid of oversized in a small space, which this of course is. Thanks so much for watching today. Drop us a comment or like this video, and stay tuned for episode 3. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. We so appreciate you taking your time to follow along with KLC. So click the follow button below, and we look forward to seeing you again as we guide you through your interior design decisions and anything else you might need to know about interior design.